Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you whether or not you can use your mobile phone to start YouTube as a vlogger. I'll apologise for super dull content coming ahead. One of the other things people do in their mobiles to start a YouTube channel is vlogging. So it's 7:30 in the morning, I look half dead, and it's time for work. Time to play for another vlog, sitting gabbing away, just finished work, about to go for a ride and then go to the gun range. I'll see you there. So that's me finished work, another day, another dollar. Pretty dull looking day, although it's reasonably warm. Time to go chill for a bit before overtime tonight. I really turned up at the gun range the other day, so I'm just sitting chilling at the moment. Nah, I'm full of it, I'm actually sitting working. But I'm sure I'll have some more footage for that later on. It'd be nice to actually get some footage of me shooting guns, and it's one of my other hobbies, teaching people things and shooting. I don't really do much else, to be honest. I'll be freaking you out with the whole moving from side to side. I'm testing a cheap, is it cheap? $15? It's $15 cheap, I think it is. I'm testing a cheap Bluetooth remote controlled selfie stick, and it's actually quite good so far. It's one of those things that I bought as a joke. I didn't actually think I'd need it, and I don't use it very often, but it can be attached to tripods and stuff to get higher views, or rather higher perspective of something I was trying to record. So it's actually really quite cool. Something I definitely think that YouTubers might invest in at some point, especially if they do this low energy, pointless, effectively content where you're just sitting talking to a screen trying not to bore people's heads off. A day at the gun range, just hanging out. Another attempted vlog from my phone just to see how legit it actually is. But it's time to put some lead down range. Let's go. So, I don't think it takes a rocket scientist to notice that the one part of content that mobile is absolutely perfect for is vlogging. You can take it anywhere, you can film on the spot, you can live stream if that's what you want to do, and you can create super boring videos, just like this, every day, all day. Unfortunately, the problem with most blogging sites or vlogs or whatever is that generally everyday people's lives just aren't interested enough to keep other bored people entertained. But just because it's not my style doesn't mean you can't actually do it. So obviously, in conclusion, yes, you can start a YouTube channel with just your mobile phone if you're vlogging. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.